need a girl like you, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the Life of Tea. In this video, we're gonna be doing a mukbang to this good burger place. And
Are you gonna introduce me?
girl, you is doing the most. This is my older sister.
Hey y'all.
She gonna be getting the YouTube real soon. So
I look crazy right now, but it's
let
okay.
me show y'all all our condiments we got. Yeah, they cheese be a hit.
They can't see.
We got like, hold on. We got like, how many cheeses is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 cheeses. We got some ketchup, mayo, mustard. And let me show y'all our burgers. And the fries. They like wedge fries. And they got like seasoning on it. I got my drink. I got a strawberry Sprite. And she got a strawberry milkshake. Cause she on her phone not paying attention, so I gotta do her food for her.
I got a cheeseburger. I got
Show
cheese
them
on
your
mine.
food. She got some other stuff on her sandwich.
It look
I
nasty,
just got
huh?
lettuce. I don't eat cheese, you know, but
Lettuce,
Finna
tomato,
put this-
onion. Ooh,
you supposed to show them your food.
I did. I showed them my food. We got some mayo. I'm gonna put some mayo, some ketchup on her. I don't need no mustard. You put mustard on yours? This is our first time doing this, y'all.
Yep, first time. First time.
This is my first
time.
YouTube video, so
This my third. I said I was gonna start making more videos.
I be telling her she needs to sing more.
Ha ha ha.
She don't listen to me. Y'all, I love food, so this probably what my video, what my channel gonna consist of, food. So,
Everybody love food though.
not like me. Not like me.
I'm gonna put a little cheese on it.
Y'all, Fuddrucker'S got the
They can't even
best
see mine.
fries. Fuddrucker'S got the best fries.
All this cheese.
You take the my cheese.
How many of y'all got big sisters? Older sisters?
We got another older sister too.
Yeah.
Another sister. And she the smallest
Yeah.
and the feistiest.
Yep. It was this post on Instagram. It said small people be the angriest people.
No, because it's so true though.
But you small, we all the same height. So
Oh, yeah.
if that's the case, talking about we closest to the ground.
I'm not angry though. I'm the happiest out of all
My
of them.
burger.
I'll be the happiest.
I don't know about that.
Tiana dry.
I don't know.
I should have got me a water. Oh, I forgot I got a strawberry shake.
I already said so.
Mm.
And that's how we do it. We did it. I don't know.
We got these wedge seasoned fries.
I already said that. Yeah.
I really look crazy.
any of y'all from Illinois, Chicago, whatever, y'all know the suburbs and stuff. We in Lansing. And Fuddrucker'S is all the way in Matson. And y'all should know that Lansing and Matson is far from each other. So we went all the way to Matson just to get some good old Fuddrucker'S. They had one in Cal City, but they closed it. So we had to travel far. You're not even talking.
Because I'm eating this good food. Sometimes you can't talk when you eating.
I don't think I put in
That's how you know the food is good. Everybody just be silent and eat.
Yeah. My jaw is low.
Is it good?
Yes, indeed. This strawberry Sprite hidden.
I need some water.
Go get you some water.
You give me some?
No.
Oh, wow.
Girl.
You are so lazy.
Girl, you don't. No, I'm not going to get you no water.
Why? I would have did it for you.
Girl, I just made you a sandwich the other day.
Girl, I just drove you to Fuddrucker'S.
Okay, I could have drove.
That was a journey. That was a drive.
Girl.
All them potholes.
They don't know nothing about the potholes.
Man, them potholes be dangerous. When I say
In Chicago Heights, we talking about.
them boys will mess up your car. Car be over with.
Most definitely.
We had a long day. Well, it felt like a long day.
I had a long day.
No, I had a long day.
I had a long day.
I had to get my window fixed. Didn't even get it fixed. I drove all the way to the west side for no reason.
I think my day was the longest. I got up at, what time was it? First of all, I woke up at 5 something. Then I was up. I went back to sleep like at 5:30. I had to get up because I had to go to school. I had school I'll be having school at 7:25, but I didn't go to my early bird class. I had to go to the doctor. Then
I forgot you had to go to the doctor.
right, and they took blood. So that was a lot right there. Then after I left the doctor, I had to go to school, sit in a classroom that was literally -15. It was freezing. And then I had to get through, how many classes do I have? I think that's 5. Girl, that's what I'm saying. That's how long my day was. It's boring with me trying to explain how much I went through. I had to go through school, after school. What did I do? I had to go to the bank, and the bank was closed. They was working on the bank, the ATM.
This bank over in Lansing or KMA?
In Lansing. So y'all don't go to that bank for a few days, cause you gonna be sitting there forever. But how I was saying though, it was this dude in his truck. I think he did some illegal stuff. Because he was sitting there for like 10 minutes. And then when I got up to the ATM, it said, sorry, this ATM can no longer dispense cash. So I'm like, hold on, what's going on? So I went around to the other ATM, and there was this dude in this white van. I thought he was stealing money out the bank, cause he had like it open. I didn't even know that thing could open. Well, I know it could open, but not like that. And I'm like, dang, this man's stealing money. They got some weird stuff going on over there. So I was just nosy. I stayed there for another 10 minutes. But turns out he worked for Chase, so he wasn't stealing money. So, long story short,
You ain't right.
I didn't get my money that I need to get out of the bank. And then we went to that place, that school, after that, so. And now, we got our Fuddrucker'S eating for the first time.
It took us like a whole hour to find out what we was gonna need to eat.
Sure
We
did.
was so tired of eating food around
The food out here is nasty. No, it's not
here. It's
nasty.
not nasty, just get tired of eating.
Yeah. I think we got the best food.
In Chicago,
Yeah.
yeah.
Best food, hands down.
New York food is trash. Florida food is trash.
When you go to Florida, you gotta eat at Fridays.
You gotta eat at them restaurants that you eat at.
Yeah, at the crib.
Yeah.
And you don't even
The
eat
basics,
Fridays out here.
Fridays, Olive Garden. What else they got? Okay. We be in Orlando, so yeah.
When we just went, we was in Kissimmee.
Yeah. It wasn't really nothing.
No.
Huh.
It was nothing but McDonald's and gift shops. And palm trees.
IHOPs.
I don't see no IHOP.
Maybe I'm lying. It's always gonna be no breakfast restaurants.
I didn't see IHOP.
Was it Denny's out there?
No. I didn't see no breakfast. I need a napkin.
I'm getting full already.
I'm not. But I didn't eat all my fries.
You gotta eat your fries last.
This is like a jalapeno cheese. Oh well. I don't think I want to eat that. But
It's good.
I'm gonna try it on the ugly fry. It's spicy.
It's good. It's like it's a nacho cheese. If we had some chips. Ooh. Those hot flaming Doritos. And that.
That's nasty.
No, that's probably good.
No.
You think everything nasty.
So, I really want to go to Rolling Loud, but
I do too. There's gonna be so many people there. Cash Dog gonna be there too.
I don't really want to see her.
When I seen Wayne, I was like, I need to go. Wayne, I want to see Wayne in concert.
I just want to see Thug,
Oh yeah, Thug is on.
Thug, Cardi, Thug and Cardi, and Lil Wayne. That's it. Who else gonna be there?
A lot of people.
Dirt gonna be there. No, was it her? No, of course not her. Her ain't gonna be in there like that. Beyonce needs to come out with some new music. The people I want to hear music from right now is Beyonce. I want to hear some more Bryson Tiller.
We didn't even take a picture.
Or what?
Put a couple pictures.
You do that. Don't worry about all that. I got that.
Girl.
Because you ain't even got to do that. Anyway. Y'all want to hear music from Beyonce, Bryson Tiller. Of course, Rihanna. Who don't want to hear no music from her?
She just finished her album.
Who said that?
It was on the internet.
The internet said a lot of things.
I think she said it, actually. I think she tweeted it. Or maybe I'm wrong.
I'll believe it when I see it.
Go on the internet.
I believe it when I see it. Y'all, can you give me an apple?
No. Get up and get us yourself.
I can't wait till Empire come on.
When it come back on?
Next month?
Really? Man, you got me up.
Girl, you making too much noise. The whole time, I don't even remember what happened on the last episode.
Somebody died.
The little baby died.
No, the little lady didn't die.
Oh, Andre died. Okay. It's coming back to me. It's coming back to me.
Andre died?
Cause remember, Andre was in the stretcher process. Andre was in the stretcher and he was in the hospital. And Cookie was like, oh, my baby, my baby.
She was like, what? She was like, what?
I didn't say it too confident because I wasn't sure that's what she said. That's why I didn't say it loud. But anyway. No, you know what? No, I want to see Empire more than Star.
You tripping. Star is my show. No, Star gonna be good. The baby not his. The baby is Noah.
But I mean, we already know that. It's nothing that we don't know.
Something else supposed to happen.
No, ain't nothing gonna happen. Everything is out. Everything.
She finally dropped the baby. No, that's what you tripping.
No.
You always put Empire over Star.
I think Empire is more.
More what?
I don't know. I have a personal connection with Empire for personal reasons.
Girl, you like 12 years old. What you connect them with?
Don't worry about it.
I have personal connections with Empire.
I do. Lucius, Lion, it's dear to my heart. That's all I'm gonna say.
No, hey, Empire gonna be good for real because Lucius just found out that dude his son.
That's what I'm saying.
Oh, I forgot about that.
Star.
Was he the one that killed Andre?
Yeah. Star. First of all, we been knew Star was going. We been knew that. We been knowing that for how many seasons?
Don't y'all just get a text? I'm sorry. Don't y'all get a text from somebody and it's just irritating you like. Y'all know that feeling.
We already knew Star was going. First of all. Second.
No, Star is a thought.
A big one.
Yeah, she a thought. She ain't ashamed.
No, and that's how you supposed to be.
That's how you live?
No. No. If you know you going, be proud. Because
I'm proud.
Because when you be starting to have it and stuff, then you gonna look stupid because everybody already know your business. So what you hiding for? Be proud. Be bold. Be brave.
You better strut that thought.
That's right.
Strut that thought.
And if you not going, be proud.
I ain't really feeling this jalapeno cheese.
No, me either. But if you not, be proud. Be proud of whatever you do. If you choose to be out here, be proud. If you choose to be a homebody, be proud.
True. That's facts. That's facts, though.
Facts. With a Z. Facts.
No judging over him.
None at all.
Live your life how you want to live it.
Yep, that right.
It's your life. You only get one.
That right.
What they gonna do?
Okay, we can make this our thumbnail. Do your cup like this. No, your Fuddrucker'S cup.
Oh, I don't like when people talk to me like that.
Come on, because I think this is
I don't like that. Don't do that.
Get your cup.
Look at my head.
Okay, now your hair tickling.
I like this because look at my eyebrow.
My eyebrow's not done, so I can't do that.
Y'all, that lady snapped on my eyebrows. Like, wait till I get them. I look a mess. I really hate to introduce myself to y'all like this because I look a mess. I'm really cute. My hair done. But she snapped on my... You ugly.
She said I look like Jeepers Creepers.
Y'all, them Jeepers. them Jeepers Creepers straight back.
Yeah, I'm gonna put a picture of Jeepers Creepers so for y'all that
Hey,
don't
Jeepers
know
Creepers
what
ugly.
it is. If y'all don't know who Jeepers Creepers is, y'all
I remember when I
need
was
to,
younger, like we'd be on the school bus or something. I just think like Jeepers Creepers just go. Remember Jeepers Creepers too? And he was messing with them high school kids.
I never thought of him on the school bus.
No,
because I was never on the school bus.
I always
at
think
night.
of movies like.
Actually, I was, but I was on the school bus with a lot of people. And if Jeepers Creepers would have came on that bus, he would have got beat up.
By who?
All us.
Do you?
Southwood, we did not play.
Girl, what was y'all gonna do to him?
We were gonna beat him up. You had to be. 40 of us on that bus. Gee, I will never forget that bus ride. I can't say no names in this video, but oh my gosh, I got my heart broken on that little trip.
Man, I got my heart broken so bad in school too.
Man, we was so young. We was in like the 8th grade. Man, I think he broke up with me. You know?
Girl, why you have a boyfriend?
I was in 8th grade. And my hair's sticking up.
My hair look a mess.
I think I got something in my teeth. But everybody had a boyfriend in 8th grade.
That's true. I had a couple boyfriends.
In the 8th grade, man, I was something else.
Boy, I was fine in that grade, boy.
I was cute too in the 8th grade.
I had my little Chinese baby. Thought I was Nicki Minaj.
Yeah,
boy,
you definitely did.
I was cute. I was real cute.
I don't know. I think I was in my glow when I was in the 6th grade.
7th grade. 7th grade is really when I hit my glow.
6th grade was when I hit my glow. Like
6th grade?
Yeah. I mean, I got puberty.
Is that when you started puberty?
I started puberty when I was 10, which was 5th grade.
Dang. See, I came on man in 7th grade. That's when I got popping.
I
got popping. I was popping.
I remember like it was yesterday when I started my period. I don't know if it's gonna be boys watching this, so let me be quiet. And y'all immature too, because y'all
wouldn't grow up, okay?
Y'all having sex
I'm
with
23.
girls.
How old are you? T.
That ain't for my viewers to know.
Y'all, the girls at her school be like, T.
Girl,
I'm crying.
a lot of people call me that.
T. She be blue when I be saying that to her. Maybe I'm a difficult person.
I want to see Mr. Glass.
Go see it.
You been where? Well,
hey.
What?
Well, obviously.
Benzo, call on your phone or text me. Let him know.
She just just interrupted the video. Like, how you gonna do that?
Does she not know who I am and how many videos I've posted? Even though it's been 2, I know how to edit. Anyway.
Well, obviously, there's a rapist
this how much burger I
in
got.
Lincoln Park. He's climbing through your windows and
Snatching your people up, trying to hide your kids, hide your wife. I will show y'all my little poodle, but
She
she's a
ain't
little
got no
shy.
hair. She ain't got no hair. She ain't got... Y'all, they did
Y'all.
her dirty.
I got some good things coming.
What you got coming, T?
It's a surprise. Can't let them know too soon.
I'm gonna start my channel real soon. I hope people subscribe.
I need y'all to subscribe to my channel. I need more subscribers.
You need to post more. Are you gonna post more?
Yes.
Are you gonna sing?
Yes.
What else are you gonna do?
I'm gonna do pranks. I'm gonna do
Who you gonna do pranks on?
me. Nope.
You gonna prank yourself?
No.
Who you gonna prank? Who you gonna prank?
Don't worry about it. I'm also
You ain't pranking me. Leave me out of it, okay?
I'm also going to vlog some experiences like prom. Yeah, prom, graduation, a trip that I'm gonna take.
I'm full and I feel like
I'm tired too, and my hair's sticking up. I need to do something to my
I
hair.
need to go wash and blow dry and flat iron mine.
I need to finish washing my clothes.
I need to start washing my clothes. Sorry, up.
I got homework.
Can't relate.
It's due today.
Can't relate.
And I gotta study for this sociology test.
I'm finna go back to school though, so.
Y'all, speaking of school and all of that, it's the show on Netflix called Nurse Jackie.
No.
Comment down below and say that I put you on.
Y'all need to watch You. If you haven't watched it yet, watch it.
I never
You still
seen
haven't
it.
seen it. You need to
No.
watch it. It's crazy.
I heard it's okay. But
No, it's good. It's not just okay.
y'all, some good movies on Netflix. And I want y'all to watch it.
She always falling asleep.
Binge watch Nurse Jackie. The episodes be like 25 to 29 minutes long. They don't be long at all. You watch it and the blink of an eye, the episode is over. and you're gonna wake up and you're season 4. So give it a, try. That's good. She say the You Show good. Black Mirror good.
I put on.
Okay. Yeah, she did. But
If you don't already watch American Horror Story,
the new one not on there. So the best American Horror Story is The Witch's Coven, I think. The Coven. That's a good one. It's a lot of movies on Netflix. Oh, and I'm gonna do some movie.
What's that movie you just had me watching? With the fisherman and the and that lady that got pregnant by
That's what I'm saying. Like, I know a lot of movies, but I don't know the name.
Just watching.
So actually, if y'all want more movies to watch on Netflix, yeah, like this video, comment down below. Y'all can even give me video suggestions of what y'all want. And I got a talent show coming up February 22nd. So if you're available on February 22nd and you live in Illinois, near Chicago or near Lansing, near the suburbs, make sure you're at the TF South School Talent Show on February 22nd. Doors open at 5:30 and it's only $5 to get in. And we have refreshments. Yes.
I ain't coming.
It's $5 and we have refreshments. And I know y'all off on Fridays. Just saying. If you can party at night, that evening, on Friday, you could be at that talent show. And y'all better have y'all cameras out recording, because I'm not playing with y'all.
Y'all, I'm gonna record. I'm gonna record. So you can put it on your channel. Do the Jacquees. Jacquees. Stop trying to play me.
That wasn't fun.
You know what? People been really hurting my feelings lately, G.
Y'all, I love Queen so much. So
shout out to Queen. She just had her baby.
Yes.
Congratulations.
I love Queen so much.
I can't wait to see his face.
I love Queen and I love Bianca and Damien. They are so dear to my heart. And I love
Be Love.
Be Live. Her name's Be Live. Get it right. And I like what's the son name?
You don't even know his name. I was just about to say that too. What's the son name?
Oh, we love you, son. Be Live, son. We love you.
Both of them.
Yes, both of you. Daddy Chunk Chunk, you inspire me when you be eating them wings.
Man, I want to clean a bone like that, bro.
What is his name? Damien?
Good. No, his name
Well, we love you. Okay, we really find you very funny.
Chunk.
No, the other one. We really find.
What is his name for real?
I don't know.
That's blowing me.
Damien.
That's not his name.
Dalvin. No, that's Daddy Chunk Chunk name.
What's the other one name? She say his name all the time. I love him though.
Oh,
He's hilarious.
He is so funny. Like,
hey, he's hilarious. His facial expression.
He is so funny. I want to meet all of y'all. Like, I want to meet you, Be Live. I want to meet you, Prince Family. I want to meet Royalty Squad. That's the name.
Yeah, the Royalty Family.
Yeah, Royalty Family. I'm sorry, I don't know.
I like
just know I love
Nika King. I like Nika King.
Yeah, I like you, Nika King. All of y'all, like, y'all really like have inspired us to do other things, like, and then we're gonna have some testimony videos on both our channels and stuff, because we really feel like we can really like get out to the young crowd, young generation and stuff, and just really like put positive influences on y'all. Yeah, y'all, because I'm sure we got some young viewers. Yeah, and I just really want to say, like, I really love all of y'all other YouTubers, because y'all just do not know, like, the impact y'all have on others. Like, y'all really have motivated us to, you know, get it popping, like, do what it do, like, you know, get on our own. And yeah, like, y'all be going through stuff or have went through stuff that we done been through or are going through, especially me. Like, yeah, I definitely can relate to y'all, and hopefully our subscribers can relate to us when we start telling our story. So I hope y'all like this video.
Give it a
Shout out
thumbs
to Fuddrucker'S. If y'all live in the Chicagoland area, and it's other Fuddrucker'S, like it's one in Minnesota, because we had one when we went to Mall of America.
It is.
Just look up Fuddrucker'S right here. Pause the video, get that name, and yeah, get that name. Check it out. We got half burgers. Well, they not called half burgers no more. They used to be.
It's
called
small, medium, large now, but we got medium.
Right, that's the half burger.
Yeah.
And we should have showed y'all our burgers, but
I showed them mine.
like the patty.
Yeah, I lifted up the
Okay.
the box.
Well, you know, let me show y'all what I got left first.
I got a lot of
It's
them.
a bad angle right here. We won't film like
I still got this half.
but first,
I'm surprised you ate that much. You did not eat.
I do anything for YouTube, anything, cause I'm gonna make y'all my family, for real.
That's what's up.
So I'm really dedicated to this now. I feel like, you know, we can have a start with the what's gonna be our name? What's gonna be our family name? Matter of fact, y'all can comment down below with some family names and let's get it busting. Cause right now we just the T fam show. The T fam, you know. Teapot, teacup. Everybody in the teacup. Gang, 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 gang.
You crazy.
But yeah, though, y'all know how I'm coming for y'all. My little 3 subscribers. But it's okay. We gon' get there. Stay motivated, stay positive, and stay grinding. And that's for y'all too.
Period.
But for real, this gonna end our video. It's 7:25. I'm finna go to sleep, get in the shower. No, I'm just playing. We probably go to the movies.
No, I'm not going nowhere with you.
I think I broke my wrist for real. It hurts so bad. But no, though, for real, last time. I want y'all to like, comment, and subscribe down below. Make sure y'all follow me on either my Snap, Instagram, or Twitter. Do you gotta say anything?
I don't have a channel yet, but it's coming soon. Coming real soon. So just be on the lookout for that. That's all I want to say.
Nothing else.
It was nice being on your channel, T. Gotta do this again.
Yes, indeed.
So,
Respect.
period.
Peace.